The question I got is, how do you mention or tag a company in a LinkedIn post? Let me show you how to do it. Go to the home page. Here's where you start a post right here. So I'm going to start a post. I'm going to mention my own company with the @ symbol, BURRISS space CONSULTING. And then you select it from the list. And all I need to do is find it in the list and then click on it. I'm going to show you again. @GRAHAMPERSONNEL, Graham Personnel Services. Find it in the list and click on it. Really easy to do. @US Duct. There's the company. Select it. But you got to know the spelling. Spelling needs to be clear. There are situations, hasn't happened recently, where you got to start typing a company name and it won't show up. But as long as lately, it's been pretty consistent. If you know the company name, American Manufacturing Inc. Manufacturing product. Look for the logo. Make sure you're picking the right one, the right logo before you do it. And sometimes you may need to do a little research beforehand. But as long as you know the name, start typing with the @ symbol, find it in the list, and then click on it. And then keep typing the rest of your message. Pretty easy. And then you can hit post. By the way, you can select a company in a text post, in an image post, a video, a document post, share a URL if you want to, anything you want to put in here. You can also select and mention or tag a company. Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Hope this is helpful.